In this Abacus video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view invoices for paid orders and also how to create new invoices for upcoming orders which you can email to your customers. First, we'll start with viewing invoices for paid orders. To do this, I'll click the sales category and then select invoices. On this page, we can see specific invoices using this date range selector. We also have a number of filtering options which you can use to filter through different invoices. You can see invoices for a minimum price and also a maximum price. And you can also see invoices for a specific customer. In the display drop-down box, we can filter through different orders that are paid, unpaid, deleted, and we can view all of the invoices as well. You can also filter for invoices paid with a specific payment method. You can export the invoice report by clicking the Export button and then selecting one of the options here. You can also send a copy of the invoice report to your email address by clicking the Send Email button here. From this screen, just enter in your email address here. Now I'll show you how to create a new invoice that you can send to one of your customers. To do this, just click New Invoice. If the customer exists in your database, you can select them here. You can select the payment method for the invoice and also mark whether or not the invoice has been paid. Now I'll add an item to this invoice by clicking the Add Item button. I'll select the item by clicking the Item drop-down box. I'll select the double egg burger for my example and enter 10 for the quantity. Now that we've added an item to the order, we'll look at the different ways that we can give the customer this invoice. To do this, we'll click the More button at the top of the screen. Here we can create a PDF with tax of this invoice. We can create a PDF without tax for this invoice. And we can also send an email to the customer with the invoice. In order to send an email to the customer, you'll need to attach customer information to the invoice here. Once the invoice has been created and sent to your customer, just click the blue Save button. Now that the invoice has been saved, you can see that an invoice number has been generated for it, and we can also mark the invoice as paid when the customer pays.